My dear friends, today I will show you phacoemulsification surgery of grade 2 to grade 3 nuclear sclerosis patient. After making both sides side port, inject 0.6% trypan blue dye and wash it after 10 seconds. Then inject 2% hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose and then make a continuous curvilinear capsular axis. This axis is about 5 mm in size. Spread some HPMC over the corneal surface so as to increase the visualization. Now make main port by using 2.8 crescent. After making side port, do the hydrodissection and hydrodelineation simultaneously. Depress the nucleus slightly and then again inject HPMC and rotate the nucleus. Nucleus is not rotating freely in this case. That's why I again repeated hydro procedures. Always remember, rotation of nucleus is must for the beginners. Now it is freely rotated. Inject some HPMC and then start modified direct chop technique, in which first I will emulsify the superficial cortex like this, and then in US1 mode I will make a trench of sufficient depth. Now rotate the nucleus. Go to the US2 mode, embed the phaco tip and make some vacuum and hold the nucleus and then chop. Repeat it multiple chops. After doing chop, go to the US3 mode and then lift one nuclear piece, bring from periphery to the center and then emulsify it. Like this manner, emulsify every pieces one by one. At this point, always remember, don't waste the phaco energy unnecessary. Now go to the US4 mode, that is epinucleus mode, and remove this epinucleus plate. At this time, phaco energy is very less, vacuum is good about 300 and flow rate is 40. After removing epinucleus, now do the cortical cleanup by using either Synco bimanual irrigation aspiration cannula or coaxial or bimanual cannula. Remove the cortex gently. While removing the cortex, always keep your aspiration tip anteriorly. Remove subincisional cortex from right side port. In this case, cortex is very sticky in nature. This remaining cortex can be removed from main side port or main port. Now inject 2% HPMC and then implant the intraocular lens. This is hydrophobic aspheric lens. While implanting the IOL, always try to implant leading haptics in the back first and then dial the trailing haptics from right side port with the use of lens dialer. Remove the remaining HPMC from the AC as well as from the back of the lens. Inject 0.1 ml pilocarpine and then wash it thoroughly. Then inject preservative-free moxifloxacin 0.1 ml and hydrate the wound. There is no need to hydrate main wound. You hydrate just side port wound, first right side and then left side, and then wash the AC so as to remove the moxifloxacin. This is called final lavage, and thus surgery is almost concluded. Check the wound integrity. Thank you very much for watching this video.